Hello everybody and welcome back to the 2005 Cayley contest. It's Root Beer here and we're going through question number 10. So we're at the very end of part A. I would like to remind you, if you haven't downloaded a copy of this contest, I encourage you to click the first link in the description, get a copy for yourself, print it out, try it with a friend, who knows. You guys could even race. Alright, so question 10, that's what we're going through. In the diagram, PT is parallel to QR, and they've have the nice arrows going through here, so we know it's parallel. Standard convention. What is the size of angle PQR? So we want PQR, so it's the one down in the corner here. Alright. What can we do? So we've got these X's here. I'm going to draw my diagram again on a fresh piece of note paper. So we have parallel lines here. We have P down to Q. And up here was X degrees. Now we have another less slanted line. We have 2X degrees. And we had 128 degrees here. And we have PR and T. I'm a little curious as to why there's no S in here. But not a big deal. Okay. So, what do we want? Well, let's highlight at least the angle that we want. We want PQR. Okay. One of the things I'm going to do, because we got parallel lines, and parallel lines and angles tend to work out. They have some nice relationships. For example, there's a very well-known Z theorem. It said if you have parallel lines and you have them crossed by another or transverse line, the result is that these angles, sort of in the corners of the Z, are equal. So I know this 128 has got to be equal to 2x. Now we're just exploring the diagram. So 128 is 2x. Well, what does that tell me? That tells me x. So now I have this angle up here. But now, look, we've got another Z theorem. So this guy's got to be x, or 64. But now the 64 and the angle that we want make up a full 180 degree straight line. So we can rearrange. 180 degrees minus 64 degrees is equal to PQR. What is 180 degrees minus 64? It's 116 degrees. And that, I believe, was A, if I remember. I only glimpsed the answers for a second, but yeah, there it is. It's A. So that'll be our final answer there. We bubble in A. And look at that. We've done the first 10 questions on the contest, better known as Part A. And in the next video, we'll take a look at question 11, which is the first question in Part B, where the questions are worth slightly more, and we would expect a slightly harder challenge. So join me for question 11 in the next video, and we'll find out just how much harder that challenge really is.